Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel, Mary's Country Kitchen. In today's video, I'll be making a decadent Nutella stuffed French toast, which you can make to enjoy on the weekend, at your next brunch, or over spring break. It is sure to be a crowd pleaser if you like sweet breakfasts. So enjoy! And so what is your rating of the Nutella banana French toast sandwich? All right, so here's what you'll be needing for the Nutella banana French toast. I have a loaf of bread here. This is a loaf of sourdough that I didn't get used up for supper, so I just thought I'd slice it up for breakfast. You can use brioche or whatever other type of bread you have on hand. Nutella and bananas that we'll slice for the filling. And then for our batter, milk, eggs, a little bit of coconut sugar, a little bit of vanilla, and sea salt. So here's the French toast flipped over. I'm just checking to make sure that it was fully cooked, not too soggy. And here's a side view. You can see the filling of Nutella and banana looks so delicious. And so now this one is ready to plate. Looks so nice and golden. And so on this day, we topped it with some raspberries and then a little bit of powdered sugar. But of course, you can put maple syrup or honey or strawberries, whatever you like. So I hope you guys like this breakfast and you want to try it out. And if you like kitchen videos, please like and subscribe so you don't miss what's happening in Mary's Kitchen. And until then, may God bless you with his love, joy, peace, and good health. Bye.
I definitely give it a good 10 out of 10. It's really good.